The MSI Vision ZS is built for gamers who demand raw power and stability. Check the link in the description for the best price. Today, we are breaking down whether this high-end desktop lives up to the premium MSI branding for your next setup upgrade. Here is how the core hardware components stack up for modern enthusiast-level gaming. The 9800X 3D processor provides best-in-class gaming throughput, ensuring no bottlenecks during intense sessions. The RTX 5070 brings modern AI-accelerated graphics and enough VRAM for high-fidelity 4K gameplay. MSI's 360mm AIO cooling handles the heat output efficiently, keeping the system quiet under heavy loads. This system excels at delivering consistent high frame rates for demanding titles. Considering the daily reality of owning and utilizing this massive desktop system, with a weight near 47 pounds, this system is quite substantial and requires a sturdy, large desk. The pricing is steep, but it accounts for the latest generation hardware and a premium liquid-cooled setup. Out of the box, you have full Wi-Fi 6E connectivity and pre-installed Windows 11, minimizing setup time. This desktop is a heavy-duty powerhouse designed for permanent desk installations. The MSI Vision ZS offers a stellar balance of cutting-edge hardware and cooling efficiency. While it demands a premium price and plenty of desk space, the gaming performance is top-tier. If you want a reliable, high-performance machine that is ready for next-gen gaming out of the box, this is a very strong contender.